Donald with Steam Bright Supply, and today we're just going to run a test with the Clean Storm 12-6800 autofill auto dump machine using a Turbo Force TH40 spinner tool. Now by default this spinner tool has an 0502 nozzles in it, which would be a 4-flow, and we'll go ahead and we just put some water in here. We'll turn the pump on. We've got it separate on separate phases here, and you'll see that it's at 800 psi, and then it does allow the tool to spin. And the pressure drops to 650 psi using these nozzle sizes. So we're going to run another test here in a minute. You can see it does work. You can see it does create some cleaning action on the floor. We're going to change the nozzles out to the next size smaller to 15015.